This is the 6BL brake stand mock-up. 3D printed. You have the automatic up here. Has all the positions. Locks into the positions, right? So we'd have running. Release would be pass running, holding, lap, service, and emergency. The independent on it has full motion as well. It actuates or bails only in the release position, as you can see, just like the real 6BL did. It's 3D printed, lightweight, weighs less than, I don't know, probably weighs less than 3 or 5 pounds. It's a cool little model.